Hi, I'm Julie and this video is about Queasy Clean, the immediate solution to sickness. Queasy Clean comes in a branded shoulder bag and is ideal for the car. The bag contains all you need: a dustpan and brush, the Queasy Clean crystals, bags for clothes and disposal of used crystals, and of course gloves. The gloves even fit big hands. For our demonstration we will use vegetable soup as it has a similar consistency. There, we have our mess to clean up very efficiently with Queasy Clean. Sprinkle the crystals over the offending area. Use sparingly as it absorbs 400 times its own weight. There, once sprinkled, it looks more like a pizza. Leave it for 90 seconds minimum to absorb the liquids. Then with the dustpan and brush, simply sweep up. If there are damp areas, just agitate it slightly. Once swept, the surface is left dry and odourless. Queasy Clean kills viruses and bacteria, making it the #1 for the task of removing vomit and other liquids. Queasy Clean is a product exclusive to Trade Shop Direct. Pop online now and order yours ready for any emergency. Please read the instructions carefully.